Two ways to delete contacts in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss some of the ways on how we can delete contacts on Messenger, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you basically go and launch a Messenger application, what happens is that whenever you tap the search option here, you will be able to see a list of suggested people from your contact list. So what do you do if you want to turn off these contacts? Well, it is actually very simple. First of all, tap the three lines option here and then tap the gear icon. Then just go to the option called privacy and safety. Then from here you'll be able to see all these issues, who can contact you and so on. But what you want to do over here is you want to simply go to hidden contacts here. Once you go to hidden contacts, tap on plus icon and then simply choose to hide the contact that you want to hide, and then tap the hide contact option, and then this person will get basically hidden. So this is the first way to do it. The other way you can do this is by simply going to your settings application. Otherwise you can long press the Messenger app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, then just go to permissions and then just tap on this contacts option here and then just set this to don't allow, and this way Messenger will not be able to use your contacts. So this way you'll be able to hide contacts on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.